Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can overcome the fear of English speaking. Most of the people who are learning English speaking fear to speak English in front of someone. Why do they fear to speak in English in front of someone? Today I will tell you the reason. The reason is why they fear to speak English in front of someone, because they think that if they make mistake while speaking, people will laugh at them and they will make fun of them. So they fear to speak English in front of someone if they are learning English speaking. Today I will tell you how you can overcome the fear of English speaking. If you fear to speak English in front of someone, I will tell you the way how you can overcome the fear. If you fear to speak English in front of someone, you should read English book loudly. If you have newspaper at home daily, you should read newspaper daily at home loudly. If you feel ashamed of reading English book loudly at home, you should tell your family members that you are learning English speaking, and you tell your family members that I fear to speak English in front of anyone, so I am doing practice of English speaking and English speaking, so that I can get rid of fear of English speaking in front of someone. So your family members will help you to get rid of fear of speaking. First of all, you should speak English to your family members. When you get rid of fear of English speaking to your family members, you should speak English to your friend who are very close to you. If you feel ashamed of speaking English to your friends, you should tell your friends uh, that uh, that I am learning English speaking and I can make mistake while speaking. If I make mistake while speaking, don't laugh at me because I am learning English speaking. Then your friend will not laugh at you, and they will help you to improve your English. Uh, and Reading English book will help you to improve your pronunciation, and reading English book will improve vocabulary. So you should read English book as much as you can read, and as much as you can get time to read. Reading English will help you a lot. When your fear of English speaking to your friend and your family members has come to end, you should record a video while speaking English. After recording the video while speaking English, send that video to your friends via WhatsApp, so that all your friends can watch your video speaking English. In this way, you will gather courage to speak English to the friends whom you have sent the video via WhatsApp. In this way, you will overcome the fear of English speaking.